Hi there! In this video, we'll be talking about how to change the default alarm tone of Android device using AParasoft Phone Manager. First off, we need to go to AParasoft Phone Manager page and then click on the download button. After downloading, make sure to install the tool in your computer. Now here is the tool. Next, launch the application and connect your device to the computer. You can connect your device by using USB connector, a Wi-Fi network connection, or by simply scanning the QR code found on the interface of the tool. Now the device is connecting to the computer. On the top part of the interface, you will see icons. From there, you need to choose Music. Now choose the ringtone you want to use. Next, click on Set Ringtone and then click on Alarms. Now, your default alarm tone has changed. To disconnect, click on My Phone tab and then click Disconnect. That's it. Thank you for watching.